Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. As you may see, we got a bunch of veggies, some proteins, and rice paper. This means we're making fresh spring rolls. Very easy, very tasty, you will love it. So, pre-wash veggies, also cut veggies, some rice paper. We're gonna make it through the water. I got warm water here, just like that. With the time it will be much more flexible, so we gotta speed it up. So we're gonna start some lettuce, carrots, cucumber, some glass noodles here. Of course you can add or reduce any ingredient you like. You can add more veggies like red bell peppers or another herbs like basil leaves, something like that. It's very flexible. It's very nice. You can do them with tofu if you like. You can do with full vegetarian also. There is very flexible, like most of the thing I post in the kitchen here. Just flexible stuff that you can make that at home and adjust them to your taste or your guest taste. So I add some shrimps for the first one, and now I'm gonna fold it. You see, I start on the side to the middle, then the other side to the middle, and then the back, just to cover the veggies. And now with the veggies, I'm gonna add a little sesame, which I forgot. Should be probably before the shrimps. I'm gonna do the next one with it, and then I get my veggies together with the rice paper and I just fold it. And if you saw, I place my shrimps just ahead of the veggies. It's just because they will be the first things to be seen for our guests. You will see it now. I add some sesame seeds just ahead of it. I'm adding, this time it's just boiled chicken. I just got a breast, I cut it into slices and I boil it. I have some fresh mint, I got some fresh coriander, cucumber, carrots, my glass noodles, and just like I told you, look, to the middle, the sides to the middle, and then we start from the bottom line here. We cover our veggies, and with the veggies we are gonna fold our protein, and then the final wrap. It's just very easy. You can also do two at the same time. You just need to be very careful not to take too long time, otherwise it will be very hard, because they will get the flexibility of the paper. The rice paper will be very, very, very delicate. Then it can do a break. It's very easy. So I'm gonna do it just the same procedure. The veggies you like, I'm using salad, fresh coriander, fresh mint, carrots for each one, both for shrimps and from the chicken. The veggies works perfectly. The same sauce also. It's just very, very easy. This is very nice for a light dinner or just to start if you're gonna do another dish like Asian style, some rice, then you can have those starters. So it's a very yummy and flexible. It's also nice to make it. Maybe you can set up also in your kitchen, like everything on the table, and each person make them of their own rolls. It's also funny to do them. I did once like that at home. We were like 4 people and we were eating. Everyone was like cooking their own food. It's not cooking but preparing. Everything was pre-washed and pre-cooked, of course. You see, fold it to the side, to the middle, and then with the bottom part you wrap your veggies. And once you wrap your veggies, then you wrap your protein. Just with the veggies on top. This way are the veggies the first thing you want to see once you serve it. You see it? So I'm gonna do this one and then I will show you. And here you got another view. close-up view. Yeah, you see my veggies, fresh herbs. Now my noodles, carrot, cucumber, and now a little bit of sesame seeds. I got black sesame and regular sesame, so now our protein. And look how I fold it. It's just very easy. Just to the sides, as I told you, side to the middle. Yep, just like that. Now with the bottom part, I'm gonna fold our veggies, and with the veggies, I'm gonna wrap it and just on top of our protein, and this is the way it looks like. So I hope you like the video. I hope you do it, of course, at home with your guests, with your family. Together, it's very nice. It's a very easy and very healthy, because a lot of veggies, fresh veggies, a lot of fiber for the body. It's very, very easy and healthy for us to eat veggies. Yeah. So if you like it, just leave your like behind the video. Subscribe to the channel, of course, if you like the kitchen. And for any question and any comment, just leave it down here behind in the comment box. So I wish you a nice journey together. Take care.